Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't done a video in a couple of days. Everything has been a bit hectic right now, especially with another lockdown coming on. And I'm still obviously a uni student, so I'm still doing uni. So all that said and done, I'm going to be doing my own nails. However, they're not going to stay on, so as you can see I've already done my clear base. But underneath that is top coat to allow them to pop off. So I'm going in with Angelfish, Indigo Rain, Liquid Silver and Snowdrops White. And I think I'm using Pinkerbel cover for the French on the first finger. So as you can see I'm starting with the fourth finger, and this one's going to be a marble using practically all the colours. But I'm starting off with 2 thin beads at the cuticle to make that nice and flush for when I start doing my marbling. I am then going in with a full finger of Angelfish, and I'm absolutely in love with this colour. This was one of my new ones that I showed in my last haul. For the first finger I am doing a French, a bit of it got cut out. I'm not perfect at French nails, but it's all getting there. Practice makes perfect. And this will be a French with, trying to think, it'll be a French with a marble at the end. There we go, always comes to mind. But after I do the French, right now I'll then go on to the next nail, which to my knowledge I've done a full finger of Indigo Rain. And after that finger's done, I will then go in and shape the French before applying the marble. Here we go, as you can see, I'm now starting my marble underneath my French, first going in at the side walls, just to make sure I get every bit covered. I am then going to go in with a bit of liquid silver on the first finger, just to add a little bit of sparkle. After capping the nails, which I've done off camera, I've then filed them off camera just to make the video a little bit shorter. I then decided that I wanted to have gems, so I will be placing gems on it, but I'll do that off camera as I'm quite new to all the caviar beads and gem placement. I'm using a no wipe top coat here, and I'll show you a picture in the end of when I decided to do the gems. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.